Eastern Montour County in central Pennsylvania, southern Northumberland County in central Pennsylvania, Schuylkill County in central Pennsylvania, until 11:30 a.m. At 10:33 a.m., a dangerous snow squall was located along a line extending from Newburgh to Fort Hamilton, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: intense bursts of heavy snow. Gusty winds leading to blowing snow and visibility rapidly falling to less than 1/4 mile. Wind gusts greater than 35 miles per hour. Source: radar indicated. Impact: dangerous and life-threatening travel conditions are expected to develop rapidly in one area. For those driving on Interstate 80, this includes areas between the Danville and Muskoka exits, specifically from mile markers 230 to 247. This includes Interstate 81 from mile markers 106 to 139. Locations impacted include Bloomsburg, Topsville, Berwick, Shamokin, Temecula, Mount Carmel, Shenandoah, Danville, Millersville, Mackinac City, Trentville, and St. Clair. Consider avoiding or delaying travel until the snow squall passes your location. If you must travel, use extra caution and allow extra time. Rapid changes in visibility and slick road conditions may lead to accidents.